Here we are at Contra Costa Powersports at our new location, 1150 Concord Ave. And today we have our 2005 Yamaha V-Star 650 Silverado. This is the luxury touring edition. It's got the touring windscreen, engine guards, floorboards for the rider, long sweeping fenders, beautiful black and metallic gray two-tone leather saddlebags, passenger backrest, studded accents. This bike is shaft drive. It's a 650, really nice, lightweight, two-up cruiser. V-twin 650. Make your motorcycle dreams come true with this beautiful 2005 V-Star for only $31.99. We have financing, we have extended service contracts. Check us out on the web, www.contracostaps.com, where at any given time we have 30 to 40 beautiful, clean used bikes in stock. Thank you from Contra Costa Powersports.